You can expect a lot from the 2017 Jeep Patriot. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle excels in its class and is equipped to provide comfort, safety, and style. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.